motherfucking working. BBL just dropped. BBL got motherfucking 8K in 1 week. The motherfuckers, they feeling it. They liking it. That ain't even my favorite song. That ain't even my artist fucking shit. And they fucking with it.
What up next right now? This is my girl. She goddamn be doing her shit. She represent for the ladies. She look good. She sound good. She rap good. Y'all give it up for Rissa.
Lil' mama, she bad and she know what she want with the switch. She get weak when you look at her lips. She don't need a nigga for nothing. She got her own bag and keep her 4-4 in the whip. The bitches, they hate it. The niggas be waiting to just get a little bitty piece of her time. She don't give a fuck cause she focused and stacking it going. She don't pay them niggas on mine. But they say she walking different. Why? Since she came back like sweet from Miami. And she look like she tastes like some candies. And the bitches, they don't understand it.
Hey, you know I got 20 on my motherfucking feet.
You ain't got no goddamn money.
Oh, bitch, if you broke, just say that.
Say that.
She just got a tummy talk. And she say she just got some titties. And a place in rice and pretty.
That's some shit. God damn. You just gonna tease these niggas like that? You ain't. God damn.
And she say she just got some titties. And a place in rice and pretty. And you know that she acting sadistic. She just got a BBL.
I ain't gonna say no names. Rissa, goddamn, if you want to do something tonight, I think one of the girls might be like, shit, what's up? It's the antique for me.
Fuck a hot girl summer, it's motherfucking Rissa poppin' shit all summer, Rissa poppin' shit all fall, Rissa poppin' shit all winter. It's summertime fine even when I'm in the winter. Let's go, man. Come on.